Smart Waste Management Practices for Municipal Solid Waste in India. Every day, India generates nearly 160,000 tons of municipal solid waste. That's the weight of more than 30,000 elephants, daily. But here's the shocking part. Only about 75 to 80% is collected, and less than 30% is treated scientifically. The rest ends up in open dumps, polluting our air, water, and soil. The question is, how can we manage this mountain of waste in a smarter, sustainable way? With rapid urbanization, India's municipal solid waste is projected to triple by 2030. Landfills around cities like Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai have turned into mountains, some taller than 20-story buildings. These dumps release toxic leachate, contaminate groundwater, and emit methane, a greenhouse gas 25 times more potent than carbon dioxide. Clearly, the traditional collect, dump, forget approach is no longer an option. We need smart waste management practices that focus on reduction, recycling, and resource recovery. One of the smartest approaches is adopting the 4R model: reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. The best waste is the waste we never create, so reducing is the first step. Cities are promoting cloth bags instead of plastic, digital bills instead of paper, and bulk packaging to cut down single-use waste. Reuse follows next. Bottles, containers, old clothes, and furniture can be given a second life instead of ending up in a landfill. Recycling is already part of India's ecosystem, with kabadiwalas and scrap dealers recycling plastics, paper, glass, and metals. Today, smart cities are integrating this informal sector into formal systems to maximize efficiency. Finally, recovery technologies like waste-to-energy plants and biomethanation units convert organic waste into electricity, biogas, or compost. Indore and Pune, for example, use decentralized composting units to turn kitchen waste into nutrient-rich manure for parks and farms. Technology is playing a game-changing role in this transformation. Smart bins equipped with sensors send alerts when full, ensuring timely collection. GPS-enabled garbage trucks are tracked in real time to prevent delays and improve efficiency. Waste-to-energy plants in Delhi and Hyderabad generate electricity from non-recyclable waste. Some municipalities are even using artificial intelligence to predict waste generation, plan collection routes, and optimize resources. But technology alone cannot solve the problem. Community participation is the backbone of successful waste management. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan emphasized source segregation, separating wet and dry waste at home. Cities like Indore, Surat, and Mysuru have shown that when citizens, NGOs, and local governments work together, waste management becomes a success story. Indore, for example, has been ranked India's cleanest city for 7 years in a row, thanks to door-to-door collection, strict segregation, and decentralized composting. Policy support is equally vital. The Solid Waste Management Rules 2016 mandate waste segregation, extended producer responsibility, and scientific disposal of waste. The future lies in a circular economy where waste is seen not as garbage, but as a resource. Plastic roads, compost for agriculture, energy recovery plants, and recycling industries will help India reduce its landfill dependency. Smart waste management is not just about technology. It is about combining policy, innovation, and citizen responsibility. In a country of 1.4 billion is not. With smart practices, technology, and collective action, India can turn its waste challenge into an opportunity for cleaner cities, healthier citizens, and a sustainable future. But the real question remains, where do you and I fit into this journey? Waste management is not just the responsibility of municipalities or governments. It begins at our doorstep. Every time we segregate our kitchen waste, carry our own shopping bag, or say no to single-use plastic, we are reducing the pressure on landfills. Imagine the impact if even half of India's 1.4 billion people practice this daily. Our cities would not just be clean, they would be sustainable. India is standing at a crossroads. On one side is the path of negligence, overflowing landfills, toxic air, polluted rivers. On the other side lies a future where waste is transformed into energy, compost, recycled products, and opportunities. The choice is ours to make. Smart waste management is not a dream, it's already happening in Indore, Surat, Pune, and many other cities. If they can do it, the rest of India can too. What we need is awareness, participation, and accountability. So next time you throw something away, pause and ask yourself, is it really waste or could it be a resource? That small thought, multiplied by millions of households, can shape the future of India. Because in the end, waste is not just about garbage, it's about responsibility. Together, we can turn today's waste crisis into tomorrow's sustainability success story.